We are happy about the performance for the financial year 2023 and the fact that Syngene has demonstrated remarkable resilience and emerged stronger than before. A robust business model, a broad customer base, a strong balance sheet, combined with unwavering focus on execution, enabled us to deliver revenue growth of 23% year-on-year. During the year, our research business, which includes discovery services and dedicated centers, delivered continued strong performance. Our development and manufacturing services delivered strong growth of 28% year-on-year. Growth in development services was driven predominantly by repeat orders from existing clients, reflecting client satisfaction about the high-quality service and sustained on-time delivery. In manufacturing, the long-term biologics manufacturing contract with Zoetis has brought scale and provides the momentum for growth. We now run on 2 engines, and that is so much more powerful than running on one. Overall, we have reported the highest year-on-year increase in revenue and EBITDA that we have seen in the last 5 years, creating a strong foundation for our future. In that sense, I see the year gone by as a trend break year, setting us up for bigger things in the future. Overall, the outlook for this year looks good. The market remains positive with good demand from our main client markets of US and Europe. To capture this demand, we stay focused on executing our strategy, building capabilities across business, expanding commercial operations, and adding capacity to accommodate growth opportunities. We'll continue to invest in digitization and improve systems and processes to drive efficiency and productivity. Despite macro challenges in the global economy, we remain optimistic about the year ahead.